The warmth of summer, the chill of winter. We all live by the rhythm of the seasons. But here's a simple question that trips up almost everyone, including many adults. What actually causes them? The most popular answer sounds obvious, and it's completely wrong. The seasons are not caused by the Earth moving closer to or farther from the sun. In fact, here's a fact that surprises people. Earth is actually at its closest to the sun in early January, the dead of winter for everyone in the northern half of the world. So distance clearly isn't the answer. The true cause is something far more elegant and simple. Our planet is tilted. Earth spins on an axis that is tilted by about 23.5 degrees. And as our planet travels around the sun, that tilt keeps pointing in the same fixed direction in space. So for one half of the year, the northern hemisphere leans toward the sun, and for the other half, it leans away. That steady lean is the whole secret. That lean changes everything by changing the angle of the sunlight. When your half of the Earth tilts toward the sun, the rays strike the ground steeply and directly, concentrating their heat into a small area, like a flashlight pointed straight down. That's summer. When you tilt away, the same light hits at a low, shallow angle and spreads thin, so it's weaker. That's winter. The tilt also hands summer a second advantage: longer days. When your hemisphere leans toward the sun, it spends more hours bathed in daylight, giving the ground extra time to heat up, and shorter nights, with less time to cool back down. More sun, less darkness, and the warmth builds. This neatly explains a curious fact. The two halves of the planet always have opposite seasons. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun enjoying summer, the southern hemisphere is tilted away, shivering in winter. It's exactly why, down in Australia, Christmas in December falls in the middle of a hot, sunny summer. Twice a year, the tilt lines up sideways to the sun, so neither pole leans toward it. These are the equinoxes, when day and night are nearly equal all over the world. And at the two solstices, the tilt is at its most extreme, giving us the longest day of the year in summer and the shortest in winter. The tilt's effect also depends on where you live. Near the equator, the angle of the sun barely changes all year, so it stays warm with almost no seasons at all. But at the poles, the tilt is so dramatic that they are plunged into months of constant daylight in summer and months of total darkness in winter. And this gentle lean does so much more than set the temperature. The march of the seasons drives the rhythm of all life on Earth. When flowers bloom, when animals migrate and hibernate, when farmers plant their crops and gather the harvest. That small, steady tilt quietly orchestrates the entire calendar of the natural world. So the seasons have nothing to do with how close we are to the sun. They are the beautiful consequence of a tilted planet, leaning first one way and then the other as it endlessly circles its star. A mere 23-degree tilt, shaping the warmth, the light, and the rhythm of our entire world. And if there's a science or space topic you want explored next, tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. If this made you a little more curious about the world, subscribe to the Binary Brew, and I'll see you in the next one.